Dear students, today we are going to start the new chapter, Table and Shares. It's a very interesting chapter and very useful because we do mathematics multiplications and divisions more in this chapter. I shared the screen. You can see the tables. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4, 5, 6, all the tables I shared here. Many of you know the tables, but just to recollect the concept, I shared the table. As I said many number of times, 1 to 20 tables one has to learn when you are in 4th class. 1 to 20 tables you have to learn compulsory. That will make things in the calculator. Shara, mute yourself. Okay. Now, if you look at the board, I wrote 2 table and 5 table on the board. Can you see it? 2 table is there on the board, 5 table is there on the board. In the beginning of this chapter, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn multiplications, tables here. If you see one interesting thing, 2 table is there on the board, 5 table is there on the board. Using 2 table and 5 table, we can get the 7 table. You know that.
Sir, we should write, sir.
Wait, I will tell you. Okay. Look at one interesting fact here. 2 table is here, 5 table is here. Suppose you are asked to write 7 table. You don't remember 7 table, for example. Then how to get 7 table? You can get the 7 table using 2 table and 5 table. How means? What is 2 plus 5? 7. So 2 plus 5 is 7. When addition of 2 plus 5 is giving 7, the result of 2 table and 5 table will give 7 table. What is the result? What is 2 1 ja 5 1 ja? 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5. Add 2 plus 5. Add. What is 2 plus 5? What is 2 plus 5?
7, sir.
That is 7 1 ja. 2 1 ja 5 1 ja. Add. You will get 7 1 ja. 2 2 ja 5 2 ja. Add it. Add. 2 2 ja 4. 5 2 ja 10. Add this. What happens?
14, sir. 14, sir.
14,
sir.
7 2 ja 14. We know very well. 2 3 ja 5 3 ja. Add this. 6 and 15. Add 6 and 15.
21,
Add 6
sir.
and 15.
21, sir.
So this is the easy method. The easy method to get the table when you forget. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. So this is the easy method to get the new table with the help of small tables. If you know the small tables, add and get the new table. Similarly, 2 4 ja 5 4 ja. Add 8 plus 20. 2 5 ja 5 5 ja.
35,
5 6 ja 42. 7 ja 5 7 ja 9 49. 16 and 40.
63, sir.
56.
sir. 53, sir.
18 and 45.
63, sir. 63, sir.
20 and 50.
70, sir.
If you want, you can check by 7 tables. 7 7 to 49, 7 to 56, 7 8 to 63. We know the 7 tables, so you can cross check like this. When,
This is 7 table magic, sir.
huh?
9 will be also come magic only, sir. 9.
Using 2 small tables, always you can get the big table. Suppose you forgot 17 table. You forgot 17 in the exam. So what to do? 10 table, 7 table, add, you will get 17 table. So it is easy to get the new table when you forget in the exam. Small tables always make you to get the new table. Okay. So this is how I am getting 7 table with the help of 2 table and 5 table. Got it? Okay.
Got
So
it,
this
sir.
is the first example. Take this. With the help of this, who will form new tables? So you can take this. Question number 1.
Sir,
Create 7 table with the help of 2 table and 5 table.
sir, we have to write this now.
Yes, you have to write. You have to write.
Okay, sir.
Question is here. Create 7 table with the help of 2 and 5 tables. First question. Make it fast.
Okay, sir. Sir, if we add again.
To get 7 table, I have taken the help of 2 table, 5 table because they are easy. Not only 2 and 5, you can take 3 table, 4 table. Then also you get 7 table. That is our first question. 7 table with the help of 4 and 3. You have to write the small tables, then add to get the new table. It's a very easy thing. Any big table can be obtained with the help of small tables. You want 19 table. 19 table looks hard. No. Go for 10 table, 9 table. That's all you will get.
Sir, this is
15 table, 4
right.
table, you will get 19 table.
Sir, this right.
Hmm?
Sir, this is right, sir.
Which one?
Sir is asking, should we write this?
You have to write this. That is the first question. No. I have told you, create 7 table with the help of 2 and 5 tables.
Sir,
Yes.
if we add 5 table and 3 table, so we'll get 8 table.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Any 2 small tables you can add to get the new table. This you can do always. Geetika, sit properly. Geetika, sit properly. You are in the class. Sit properly. Charan Chari, your camera is off. Saifullah, your camera is off. Pallavi, your camera is off. Saifullah, I warned you in the last class also. If I see again, you will be removed class from my class permanently.
Sir, I finished, sir. 4 and 3.
If this is completed, try the first question. 4 table, 3 table, make it 7.
Sir, that only I completed, sir. Over, sir. Completed, sir. Over.
If this is over, you can try 12 table.
Not over, sir.
Those who completed, they can try 12 table. 12 table, your choice. You can take help of any 2 tables. 12 table is your choice. Table. If you want easy method, go for 2 table and 10 table. That is easy.
Sure, we should write, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we should write, sir.
What you want to do without
Sir, we
writing?
should write. Sir, we should write, sir.
That is the question. This is the answer. What stupid question you are asking? Those who completed the 7 table with the help of 3 and 4, they can try the 12 table. Choice is yours. I am giving one. 2 table, 10 table. Using 2 and 10, you can take 12 table. Using 2 table and 10 table, you can make 12 table. Not only 2 and 10, you can do anything. Choice is yours. You can go for 5 table, 7 table, or 1 table, 11 table also you can do. 1 table, 11 table will make 12 table.
Over, sir.
If it is done, try 15 table. Try 15 table with the help of 2 small tables.
Sir, 10 plus 5 is
Yes.
10 table and 5 table, sir.
Yes, that is easy. Very good. Try 15 table. If 12 table is done, 12 table I tried with 2 and 10. Not only 2 and 10, you can try any table. You have to get 12. 4 table, 8 table, or 6 table 2 times. 6 table will give 12 table.
Sir, Sricharan is finished, sir.
Which one? What is finished?
7 table, 5 table. 2 table.
Which one you are doing? Which table you are doing? Which table you are getting? 7 table or 12 table?
12 table.
Then try 15 table. Then try 15 table.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
1 to 12 table right, sir.
Which question you are asking? 12 table or 15 table?
15.
15 table. 5 table, 10 table can be done. 5 plus 10, 15. So easy means 5 table, 10 table. When 12 table is completed, try 15 table.
Sir, 15 tables also over, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. Sir, after making
Yes. Akshara, you are asking something?
Sir, means after making 7 table, next we need to make 12 table.
Yes. After making 7 table, you have to make 12 table. After 12 table, you have to make 15 table.
Okay, sir. After 15 tables. Sir, 6 table after.
Hmm?
Six table after, sir.
6 table. Why 6 table you are doing?
After.
What is your doubt? Ask properly. I had asked the students to go for 12 table. If 12 table is completed, try 15 table. That's all you have to do. After 15 table, those who completed, please wait. I will give the next question.
1 to 15 table right, sir?
Not 1 to 15 table.
How like, sir?
Sir, 15 table is right.
To write 15 table, take the help of 5 table and 10 table. Like this, you have to do 15 table.
Sir, this like in board right? No, that like right, sir.
Who is asking? What is your doubt? No clarity in the question. Who is that? Who is asking?
T minus score, sir.
Manas Kumar. What is your doubt?
In board right? No, sir. That
Huh?
right,
What is your doubt,
Board.
Manas Kumar?
in board right now, sir. 5 table, 10 table, 15
Hmm.
table, right, sir. Here.
You had to write 15 table with the help of 5 table, 10 table. Example I have given, complete this 5 table, complete this 10 table, get 15 table. That you had to do.
Sir,
Sir, this like 2
Huh?
table and 10 table, 15 table, 5 table.
What is your doubt? I am not getting asked clearly. What is your doubt, Manas Kumar? What is your doubt? What is your doubt?
Sir. No, nothing, sir.
Huh?
sir, he didn't get the question clearly, sir.
No, he is not able to express his doubt also. You are not able
Sir,
to tell what is your doubt. If you
Sir, I
want to
have a
get
doubt.
15 table, write 5 table fully, 10 table fully, add, you will get 15 table. That's all you have to do.
Sir, after completing the 12 table, we have to do 15 table.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm asking.
Okay, sir.
7 table I tried. You had to try 7 table with 3 and 4. 12 table, your choice. 15 table, also your choice. Example I am giving. 15 table, if you want to make easy, go for 5 table and 10 table.
Okay, sir.
Manas Kumar, switch on your camera. Otherwise, leave the class.
Completed, sir.
Over, sir.
Yes,
Completed, sir.
good.
Sir, completed. Over, sir. 15 table also over, sir. Sir, complete. Over. Sir,
Yes, yes.
we can write 2 table, 5 table, 7 table, 12 table, and 15 table.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, 15 table also over, sir.
Okay. Ritvik Balaji, your camera is off continuously in the last 5 days. Ritvik
Sir,
Balaji.
we write. Sir, we
Ritvik
write 5
Balaji.
table and 10 table. And
Ritik Balaji, why your camera is off continuously? First, wear the shirt. Huh? Where is your uniform? Where is the shirt? You are attending the class in the banyan. This is the class you are attending. Huh? Attending the class in the banyan and knicker. What is the nonsense? Okay. Look at this question.
Sir, over 15 table.
Okay, okay. Now look at this question. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? She is not able to count the cats, but she can able to count the legs of the cats. If there are 28 legs, total how many cats were there?
Seven cats, sir.
Seven cats.
Number of cats, number of legs. See, if there is one cat will have how many legs? 4 legs.
Four legs.
Okay. 2 cats are there, 8. 3 cats are there, 12 legs. 4 cats, 16. 5 cats, 20 legs. 6 cats, 24 legs. 7 cats, 28 legs.
Means 7 cats, sir.
28 legs means 7 cats. We can do directly also, otherwise we can make a simple table and do it. 28 legs you can see. Listen. 28 legs you can see. You want to count how many cats? When you are not good at calculations, when you are worried about the calculations, okay. 1 cat, 4 legs. Increase. 2 cats, double, 8 legs. 3 cats, add 4 more legs. Like this, you can make the table. Finally, somewhere you will get 28 legs corresponding 7 cats.
I have to write this, sir.
Yes. Question is there, answer is here.
Okay.
Sir, we need to write this.
Yes.
Completed, sir. Tanmay Abse.
You can do it directly also, or you can do like this. It is over, keep quiet, no need to tell. Second question is there, keep trying.
Sir, we have to.
Table 10 table. One answer also. 5 table, 10 table, 15 table over, sir.
Don't shout, who is that shouting? Tables already gone. We are doing other questions. Don't shout in the class. If you want to say something, go to chat box and message. Idiot. Shouting in the class.
Sir, first one over, sir. What?
Second question is there. Answer is here. Please keep trying. Second question. Billu has kept his chicken in a box. Chicken means small. You can see, no? Small chickens.
Yes, sir.
He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there?
7 chickens, sir.
28 legs. Is a chicken. Chicken means the baby of hen. Baby of hen. Baby of hen will have only 2 legs. So 1 chicken means 2 legs. 2 chicken means 4 legs. 3 chicken means 6 legs. Like this, where you will get 28 legs. You can do directly or you can.
7 chicks.
No. 7 2 is 14 only. No. Each chicken will have 2 legs, not 4 legs. Chicken means hen.
14 chicken. 14 chicken, sir. Sir, second one answer is
14.
sir.
14 chickens. Chicken means baby of hen, small.
Sir, chicks.
It will have only 2 legs.
Yes, 14 chickens.
Yes.
Sir, second one over, sir. Sir, second one is over, sir.
Keep quiet. If it is over, what I have to do? Next question is there. Keep trying. Don't shout in the class. If it is over, fine. Keep quiet. If you
Sir,
want to say
first
something,
question
go to
is
chat
problem,
box.
sir.
Otherwise, I will mute all of you. Next question is very simple. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. 21 days means how many weeks? That is the question.
3 weeks, sir.
21 days means how many weeks?
3 weeks, sir. 3 weeks.
3 weeks, sir. 3 weeks. 3 weeks, sir.
1 week means 7 days. 2 weeks means 14 days. 3 weeks means 21 days. "21 days absent" means 3 weeks absent. 1 week, 7 days. It is 2, so into 2, so into 2. 3, so 7 3 ja.
Done, sir.
Next. 6 bananas are there. You have to share among 2 monkeys. Each monkey will get how many?
3, sir. 3, sir. 3,
Yes.
3, sir.
bananas we will share.
6 bananas to be shared among 2 monkeys. Six bananas. To be shared among 2 monkeys. So 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So 3 bananas each. 3 each will get. Answer already I wrote in the picture form there, but finally you need the answer. Second question. 12 grains. A bird got 12 grains. Grains means grain means seeds, ginjal. So a bird got 12 grains that has to be distributed to 4 kids. Who is shouting there? Who is that?
This means
Who is that making noise? Gyaneshwar? "12 grains to be distributed to 4."
send in the PDF.
No.
Sir, will you send this PDF file?
No, not sending because nothing is there. Only simple questions. I'm not sending anything. 12 grains to be distributed to 4 birds. So 12 divided by 4. 3
Is
each.
equal to 3, sir. 3 grains.
3 grains. 12
3
divided
grains.
to 4.
Sir.
Who said
3 grains
48?
each bird
What
will
is that
take,
48?
sir.
How you will get 48? 12 things are there. You have to divide among 4. How you will get 48? Huh?
Safely.
Sir, 3 birds will take, sir.
Each will
3
get
grains
3.
bird will take.
Each bird will get 3 grains.
3 grains.
Don't class come. పేరెంట్స్ కి క్లాస్ లో రావద్దు.
Who is there talking? Huh? Next class onwards, I will remove if you talk in the class. You should have the minimum common sense when class is going. You should not talk. Some kids are talking with their parents. Parents are talking with the kids. TV noise, background noise. What is the nonsense this is? You should have minimum common sense, my dear students.
Sir,
10 coins
I
are
don't
there
know.
who had to divide to 5 friends. 10 coins are there who had to give to 5 friends. So each will get 2 coins. Simple sharing. Yes, somebody is asking. What is the doubt?
Sir, I don't want to draw monkey, sir. Can I write its name?
I am not asking to draw the picture. The question is there on the board. Don't draw these pictures. This is only the question which I shared here, but the original question is there on the board. Six bananas to be shared among 2 monkeys. Answer is there. Question answer I wrote on the board. Don't try to copy this. That's why I said I will not share the PDF. You no need to draw the pictures. Question is there on the board. Answer is also there on the board. Don't copy that pictures. Pictures I drawn so that you can understand easily. It is not that you have to draw the pictures. That's why I said I will not share the PDF. Question answer both are there on the board. So here you can see the divisions. In this chapter we are going to learn divisions. Multiplication means multiplication tables. 1 to 20 tables you have to remember, then you can do the multiplication. If you forget the multiplication tables, I gave the shortcut for you. Write 2 small tables, get the big table. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing is distribution, that is division. These 3 questions you have seen. Simple: 6 bananas among 2 monkeys, 12 grains among 4 birds, 10 coins among 5 students, 5 friends. These are the simple divisions. Suppose when we get big divisions, how to do? That's what we are going to learn in the next class. Just one example. Listen, don't write. Suppose I have 28 here. I have to divide with 4. What I will get? 28 divided by 4. What is the answer?
Sir.
Huh?
7, sir. 7, sir.
If you don't know how to divide this, one simple method is there. What I am doing is 4 2 ja 8. So what I will get?
7.
28 plus 8. 20. Okay.
20.
Again I will go with 4 with 2. 4 2 ja 8. What I will get?
12, sir.
Again I will go with 2. 4 2 ja 8. 4 I will get. 4 1 4.
4.
What is this?
7, sir.
So that is the answer. If you are not able to get the answer directly, you can try with small numbers till you get 0. After that, add all the quotients, you will get the answer. This is also one type of division when direct division is difficult. How we have a shortcut for direct multiplication? You want 15 table, we are not getting, go for small table 5 and 10 adding. Similarly, when the division is given, when direct division is difficult, you can try with the small numbers and get the answer. This we are going to study in the next class, not now. So I will explain this in the next class. Be ready. So for the today's class, that is what we did, especially concentrate on the multiplications. I will try to give some homework problems, construction of big table with the help of small tables. After the class, I will give 2 to 3 questions. That's all for this class. Okay.